some reason it's telling me it's going to turn out bad, but what's up, guys? This is Phillyswords RC. Today I got my Arrma Kratons out. The Kraton 4S V2, the Kraton 6S V5. And then you got the Kraton EXP 8S. I'm doing today, I'm gonna run all three of my vehicles. I'm gonna do a speed test on all three cars. And just to bash around today. All of them are basically factory except for this. Got a 185 amp ESC and an upgraded servo. It's all factory tires, everything is factory. Nothing is upgraded at all. XB, it's the XB. I got the, I think it's 160 amp ESC or 180 amp ESC, I can't really remember, with a 750 kV motor with a Spectrum servo. So this is basically factory, but I want to do a speed test on all three and a bashing test. Just want to track the speed. I never tracked the speed on this, on the 4S. I want to see how fast that's going to move. First up is we're going to start off with a speed test. Full throttle. I did that before. What's up with this battery? I don't think it's the battery though. Yeah, that was 43 miles an hour. Or 44, one of the two. I think it was 43. Either way, that was way too slow. That was full throttle on 100%. For some reason it's not pushing like it's supposed to. Let me check that speed real quick. That was 47 miles an hour on 100%. So she got 50 in it. So I don't want to keep doing the speed run. I don't want to kill my battery. All right, let's start bashing around. Let me take this GNS out real quick and get right back to you. Grass a little high today. Yeah, she's gonna overheat. Let me get out this grass. Whoa. Now she extra wireless. Yo, what was that? Ledging in pretty good too. Taking out branches and sticks. Oh. I know I keep saying it, folks, but my ramp is right around the corner. Right around the corner. That shut her down. Yeah, she's strong as hell. Nothing broke. Only thing came out was the battery. Didn't do too much. But up next is the Kratons 6S. Yeah, I dropped it down a little lower so it can stop wheeling as much. See what speeds I'm gonna get out of her today. Going on 100%, stop playing around. Nice and straight. Yo, this should need more road. Definitely need more road. Yeah, I can't even keep it straight, so I'm gonna check that speed real quick, see what that was. It was 50 miles an hour. I don't expect to get no more. I mean, it's way faster than that. I didn't even full trigger it, but it got 50 miles an hour so far. On the full trigger, who knows? Enough room. Yeah, this helps kill the battery, but I just still wonder. I like this. She moved pretty good in the grass, though. And this is quarter trigger. I'm not even... and I would have been angry. And this is one of my favorite bashers. I gotta be careful with this. This will overheat. Yeah. This thing is a monster, man. I need some good jumps, though. Yeah, she a little hot now. And let's put out the last but not least. We got the 1/5 scale 8S Kraton out now. I don't know if I want to really do a speed test. Real quick one. For some reason it's telling me it's going to turn out bad, but hey, let's find out. That was full throttle right there. Let's check that speed. We're gonna just let that be one speed run. Yeah, that was 42 miles an hour. Only reason they got that because of the battery. And I guess that's all she wrote for that. Let's see what's going on with this. Okay, what happened? And it looked like the arm is broke. No, it's not broke. What the hell? Nothing broke, it just popped out. How? Okay, for some reason it's telling me it's gonna turn out bad, but I must didn't. Let's say it's me again. Every other time I run this car, something goes wrong. Yeah, this car did really good. I don't know. This is becoming one of my favorite bashers because it's light, doesn't break easy, nice and durable. Parts aren't that expensive. I didn't break nothing. I broke a couple things on here, but it was simple, and you will understand why I broke. But this one definitely gets a 10, and I'm gonna put the price right there at the bottom. This is the least expensive one out the group, and way more durable than the rest of the two. Now next is the Kraton 6S. Now this is my baby right here. This is my favorite basher. Another one of my favorite bashers. It's a toss-up. But this one, man, this is durable. Not as durable as the V4 because it is metal. This thing is a monster. The system I put in it. Oh, I lost something there. The system I put in it got this thing moving. This definitely gets a 10. Nice and durable. It's fast. You can upgrade. You got tons of upgrades for it. Definitely get this a 10 also. And the price of it is at the bottom right there. Now, and up next is the 8S Kraton. Last but not least is the Kraton 8S EXB. This car, it's not bad. It's not bad. It's just so heavy where certain things happen to the car, break easier than the rest of them. But this car is pretty good though. It's pretty good. The tires working out, keep it from wheeling as much. I'll give this car a 9.5. And the price of the car, I'm gonna put it right at the bottom. Is it worth it? I would say, yeah and no at the same time. If you don't want to spend that kind of money on this, I wouldn't do it, because this is expensive and parts are higher than the rest of the two. But this car ain't bad. It's just, I don't know, we're gonna blame this time on me. I don't see how. But tell me what y'all think about the 8S Kraton. Which car would you prefer? The 4, the 6, or the 8? But as always, hit that like button, hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching, and I'm out.